Guangzhou LIENM Machinery Equipment Company Limited, located in Longwei, Baiyun, China, near to the Baiyun Airport, is a scientific enterprise concentrate on research, development, production, and after-sales service, and a professional manufacturer in supplying the cosmetics and pharmaceutical machine equipment. We have a scientific research team made up with superior engineer and expert. LIENM has already become a well-known brand enterprise in cosmetic, pharmaceutical, chemical industries. LIENM focuses on creating value for customers. We provide not only installation service but also help customers design and select equipment according to their workshop, no matter for cream, lotion, perfume, and color cosmetics products. All automatic production line and solution can offer to customer. Our products have been sold around the world and win high reputation and trusting from our customers, adhering to the quality policy and service tenet of insisting on scientific innovation, bringing forward brand strategy, providing high-quality products, and implementing good service policy all the time. LIENM will adapt to the development of times, create new value, achieve better performance, and obtain brilliant future together with customers. LIENM has always been adhering to the management conception of sincerity, quality, and service, and strictly implementing ISO 9001 International Management System. 60% of our main spare parts of products are supplied by world-famous suppliers. Our company has been continuously researching, developing, upgrading, and improving various products. Welcome to visit our company.